Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. My name's Alan and I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough on our trade. This is a 2017 Key West 21-foot 9-inch boat with a 200-horse Yamaha with 300 original hours. I'm going to do a walk around, then we'll get inside and we'll take a look. I'm going to point out some features of the boat as we do this. It does have electric trim tabs, underwater light. There's your 200 Yamaha. We just did the water pump, thermostat, changed all the fluids, tuned it up. It's ready to go. Your boarding ladder, light blue hull. Boat's been completely detailed. Hull is in very good condition. Underside of the hardtop matches. Bottom paint is black. It's fresh bottom paint. We'll go up inside. I'll take the covers off and we'll take a look at this boat. As we come up inside our Key West, you can see it has a Garmin 741 XS GPS plotter fish finder, tilt wheel. There's your Lenco trim tab controls, Yamaha gauges, Jensen stereo. There's an electronics box. Coaming, everything's in very good condition. Your front seating, backrests, some cup holders, your anchor locker, pop-up cleats, seating in front of the helm, storage under all the seats, forward lighting. The metal's in very good condition. There's your seating with a core under it. Aft, we have seating all the way across. There's your door to get in. There is a live well underneath. Raw water, more cup holders, rod holders. See if I can get a look up. We have 4 rod holders across the back of the hard top. Lighting underneath, lighting, speakers. This is our Key West trade. Very nice boat. It's here in Ocean View. Call us with any questions. Thank you.